Well, today we find that the government, in its infinite wisdom, the Bank of England, has put the bank lending rate up. What does this do for us as investors? It gives us opportunities. I know it sounds savage, but opportunities are there made by the fact that people will not be able to maintain their payments at the moment. Mortgages are coming to an end for fixed terms. So there will be a lot of property out there that's immediately available. We can, as investors, just buy those properties, or we can sit with the current occupants, owners, and find a way forward for them whereby they save their property and we obtain an investment. This is not a hard thing to do, provided you get the assistance of the owner. Now, how do we get the assistance of the owner? If they're in negative equity, we can find a way out for them. If their mortgage is coming to an end and they can't afford to keep it up, we could possibly offer them an opportunity to babysit their mortgage with us, whereby we can all earn a living. They save their house and we then move forward with them as JV partners. So we're just driving into Eastbourne. This is my hometown and the area where I've had a lot of success in property. However, we are now going to move out of town and relocate to Lincoln, where I have been working with some investors and getting good returns on properties for them and myself. There is a high demand for property in Lincoln in the 2 and 3 bedroom areas, families that require homes and accommodation. There is no point, I don't think, in investing in 4 rooms and 5 bedrooms. It's not cost effective. So we need to stay in that area of the 2 and 3 bedroom where the high demand is. That's where properties will be taken up, either as a sale property or as a rental property. The market is the same.